Welcome back to Get the Math. In this lesson, we're diving into circles on the coordinate plane, one of the most visual and satisfying topics in college algebra. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to write the equation of a circle, how to read one, and how to graph it with confidence. What is a circle? A circle is the set of all points that are the same distance from a fixed center point. That fixed distance is called the radius. So if you stand at the center and walk exactly 5 units in every direction, the path you trace is a circle with radius 5. Standard form of a circle. The equation of a circle in standard form looks like this: x minus h, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared, equals r squared, where h and k are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius. For example, the equation x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25 tells us the center is at 3, 2, and the radius is 5 because the square root of 25 is 5. Center at the origin. When the center is at the origin, that's the point 0, 0. The equation simplifies beautifully to x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So x squared plus y squared equals 36 is a circle centered at the origin with radius 6. How to graph a circle. Step 1. Identify the center h, k from the equation. Step 2. Identify the radius by taking the square root of r squared. Step 3. Plot the center point. Step 4. From the center, move the radius distance in all 4 directions, up, down, left, and right, and mark those 4 points. Step 5. Connect them in a smooth, round curve. That's your circle. Writing the equation from a graph. If someone gives you a graph and asks you to write the equation, here's what to do. Read the center coordinates directly from the graph. That gives you h and k. Then count the distance from the center to the edge. That's your radius r. Plug both into standard form and square the radius. Completing the square. Sometimes a circle equation is given in general form, expanded and messy, and you need to convert it back to standard form. The technique is called completing the square. Let's say you have x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Step 1. Group the x terms and y terms together. X squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 4y equals 12. Step 2. Complete the square for x. Take half of 6, which is 3. Square it to get 9. Add 9 to both sides. Step 3. Complete the square for y. Take half of negative 4, which is negative 2. Square it to get 4. Add 4 to both sides. Now you have x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Center, negative 3, 2. Radius 5. Practice a few problems, and circles will become one of your strongest topics. See you in the next lesson.